Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Multiview on YouTube TV using iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube TV app on your iPhone and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, go to the Live tab. Multiview shows up automatically with TV offers it. Usually for sports events, big games or certain live streams. Scroll down the home page or look in the Live tab for something that says Multiview. Watch in Multiview or display 2 or 4 screens in one window. If Multiview is available, you will see special preview trials showing multiple games or channels. When you find it, just tap the Multiview options you want. YouTube TV will open a screen showing all the channels at once. You can tap on any of the small screens to switch the audio to that channel. If you want to make one view bigger, tap it once and it will highlight so you can focus on that. Keep in mind, Multiview is only available when YouTube TV offers it. You can't custom build your own Multiview groups yet. And that's it. That's how you can use Multiview on TV with your iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.